Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix black screen on Facebook videos. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you can do is open up your app store and then on the search bar simply type in Facebook and then tap on Facebook and check to see if the app needs an update. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issue that you are facing, so a simple update might fix the issue. So once you do that, go back and then try again, and if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over to your settings app, and once you're inside here, tap on general, then tap on iPhone storage, and once it loads, scroll down and then find on Facebook and then tap on offload app and then tap on offload app to begin the process. And what this does is it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches that is present in the app. And once that's done, instead of this upload app, you'll have an option that says reinstall app. Simply tap on that, and once that process is complete, all you gotta do is try again and your issue should be fixed. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.